Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So I'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today I want to share you some information about how to turn on or turn off sound for new feed videos on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on three horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Go down till we get media. Scroll down a little bit till we get video start with sound. Press on this icon. Now you turn on sound for new feed videos on Facebook. If you want to turn off, just press again on the same icon like this. Now we reach to the end of the video. I just want to draw your attention that today we explain how to turn on or turn off sound for new feed videos on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.